Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I created this look that I'm wearing right now, and to create this look, I used the 25L palette by Morphe, and I also used the brushes that the collection came with. If you want to learn how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I already went ahead and I did my brows and primed my eyes. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. I don't know if I want to do a basic one or a more creative one, but I feel once I open it, I'll get inspired and I'll decide on what to do, because this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I also picked up the brushes that it comes with, and this is what they look like. I really like how they have, it says Morphe and then it has like some color on it. And they do have names on them as well. So if I don't say them in the video, then I'll just put them on the screen, because yeah, I just want to like do my makeup already. The palette is so beautiful. I'm like, don't know what to do right now, but I'm just gonna start doing my makeup and see what I come up with. So I'm gonna grab the M513 by Morphe, and I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It is called Life, and I'm gonna put that on my crease. There was a little bit of fallout. If you guys can see, it's very pigmented. Okay, so I'm going to grab the color Heart and blend it above the red color. And I'm going to be using this brush right here. I'm going to grab the M507, and I'm also going to grab this color right here. It is called Truth, and I'm going to place it right in my crease. As you guys can tell, this color is very pigmented, and I'm probably going to take my time blending it to... Okay, now I'm going to carve out my crease. Now I'm going to be taking this brush right here, and this is a M167. From the palette, I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Art, and I'm going to place that on my lid. There was a lot of fallout when I grabbed this color, but I'm deciding if I should put a different color on this section right here. I'm going to grab another brush, and I'm going to grab the color Pride. No, it's called Parade. This color right here. I'm going to go back with this brush, the M507, and I'm just going to pack more of this color right here, Truth, just to blend that edge together where the green and the purple meet. Literally just go back and apply more of all the colors, because sometimes when you're blending out they do fade away, which honestly they were still there, but I just want to go back and add more to see if I can make it even better. The lashes I'm going to be wearing are by Pearl Lashes, and these are in the style Core. These lashes are pretty big. Okay, so now that I have my eyelashes on and my eyeshadow done, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my face. I'm gonna be using the Cover FX primer to prime my face. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Matte and Poreless foundation, and this is in the color 128. And okay, so now I'm applying a little bit of concealer, and I'm gonna mix this one with one of my foundations because it is kind of light for me.
What?
What? I'm talking to the camera. Okay, so now the next item I'm gonna use is gonna be this Fit Me loose finishing powder. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this powder, and I really wanted to try it for myself. I got the light medium. Hopefully I'm gonna apply that on my under eyes. So for blush, I'm gonna be using this Alamar Cosmetics blush trio, and this is in the medium tan. I received this in my BoxyCharm, and this is what it looks like. Me and my sister were supposed to switch blushes, but I'm like dying to try these blushes. I can't wait. And she hasn't brought me the one that she got. I believe she got like the lighter one. But I'm gonna be trying this one right here, and the color of that one is called, what am I doing? I'm gonna be grabbing this Morphe brush, and this is in the Wild 4 to apply the blush.
Mama,
Yes?
open it.
For highlight, I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild highlight in You Glow Girl. From Morphe, I also picked up this liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Virgin. I really needed a nude lipstick in my collection because I was going through my lipsticks and I realized I don't really have one. And I also got this lip pencil because I wanted to try the lip pencils. So that's what I'm going to use for my lips. I'm just going to use the same colors that I used on my eyeshadow. I'm going to use them on the bottom of my eye. The brush I'm going to be using is this one, and this is the M431, and I'm going to be grabbing the red shadow called Life, and I'm going to drag it on my under eye. Now with the M326, I'm going to be grabbing the purple shadow that I used. This one right here, and it's called Truth. And I'm going to also drag it on my bottom lash line. So for my inner corner, I'm going to be applying this color right here. It's called Liberation, and I'm using my T86 brush. Wow, it's a really pretty color. I remember when I swatched it at the store, it was like very, very thin. It looks so pretty. I really like how my eyeshadow turned out. I also picked up the Morphe setting spray because I really do like this setting spray. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I really did enjoy creating a look with my new palette because I haven't been playing with colorful makeup in a minute. See you next time.